Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So, we've had our popcorn machine from Boxlunch for a couple weeks now, so I figured we'd go ahead and tell you exactly how we're feeling about it, give you our full honest review on the Pizza Planet, Toy Story, Boxlunch popcorn machine. So, this popcorn machine was the piece that completely inspired us to put together our in-home Disney-themed concession stand. The popcorn machine was the main focal point that I saw first that made me realize that this was something that I really wanted to have in our home. I'm going to tell you guys how we feel about it, so let's do it. So the first thing that we do to get the popcorn machine started is we go ahead and we flick on the on popcorn button, and it's going to start heating and rotating that little coil in there, and this is what's going to get it ready for us to pop our popcorn. So once it's been heated for about 2 minutes, then it's ready. You can go ahead and start adding in your oil. So you're going to add in oil and you're going to add in your popcorn. The awesome thing is that this actually does come with a little teaspoon measure and a 1/4 cup measure for the popcorn. Literally smelling like a movie theater in here. Smell that? Oh my gosh. There's some more in there.
You might have to turn it yourself.
Oh. Yep, it's done.
It's a really good job.
Every kernel popped in there. So as you can see, for a popcorn machine, this thing works quite well. It does make 8 cups of popcorn at a time. And then what I love is you can just pull that black pan right out of the popcorn machine and you can clean it in your sink for easy cleaning. And then what I like to do is I take everything out of the machine and I like to spray it down, give it a good spray down. I'm trying to keep the machine as clean as I possibly can. I don't want any of that popcorn butter or grease on it. And what I also really love about this too is that you can pop out that popping mechanism and you can actually get up in there and clean that a lot better. This is going to be the dirtiest part of the popcorn machine since this is where all the action kind of takes place. So you're going to want to make sure you get that nice and clean. And the popping mechanism itself does actually pop out and right back in. So this is really great because this is the part that is going to get the greasiest. This is the main piece of the popcorn machine. So I do recommend keeping that nice and clean. This makes it very, very easy. The only item of the popcorn machine that we don't absolutely love is the buckets themselves, and it's not because of the design. The design is super adorable, and I highly suggest using them only for decoration. Once we used them once and washed them in the sink, the ink did kind of begin to smudge and smear. So if you're going to get the popcorn machine, just use these for decoration. Thank you guys so much for watching our full review on the Boxlunch popcorn machine. We absolutely love the popcorn machine. We're so glad we got it. The only other thing I wanted to mention was you cannot use Boxlunch money on this popcorn machine, and you do also not receive Boxlunch money on this popcorn machine, and you can also not take any discounts off this popcorn machine. So if you do want the popcorn machine, be ready to pay the full price, $80, which is not a bad price for this amazing product. We're so glad we got it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet clicked that subscription button, please go ahead and do so, and tap that notification bell so you can stay updated when we post a new vlog. Thank you guys. Have a great day.